Hey guys, welcome back to another low production video by me. Today I'm gonna review or talk about or analyze or something. And our topic or subject for today is, let's see if we can get that to focus. Well, doesn't matter. Pure Ocean Breeze, renuzit, natural elements. As you can see, I've already used it. Smells pretty good. It's way better than the real actual ocean, because when I was a little kid, it's hard to open this and hold the camera off at the same time. Oh, I got it. There we go. Now, it's too bad the camera can't send you the smell, but it does smell good. Smells fresh. Anyways, see, so my story. I remember like going to an ocean as a little kid with a teacher of mine. She had like this short hair. She was like kind of strong looking. She looked like a lesbian. I mean, I'm just saying, like, because lesbians, well, she was not really full on butch, but kind of butch. Anyway, so yeah, I sneezed a lot at that ocean. Dang, it's kind of hard to tell a story when I don't even have like a goal or a point to a given story. Let's see, Tony, think of a point. Yeah, moving on. Let's see. Yeah, smells pretty good. As to be expected, your sense of smell adjusts to it, so you don't notice it after a while. That's okay. You can just close it, wait for your nose to like adjust to the lack of the scent, then you can open up again, and then you can smell it again as if it's like for the first time. Let's see. So far, I've had no adverse reactions to this, so that's good. Maybe one of you who's watching right now had an adverse reaction. You can like leave a comment down below about it, or tell a story about it if you feel like it. Let's see. I'm gonna turn on. Actually, wait, I'm gonna. There we go. Now I can see it better. I'm using natural lighting. Saves electricity that way. Good for the environment. Sorry. Good for the environment. There we go. Let's see. I guess I'll talk about the design. Unfortunately, I can't show you the bottom half because like I threw it away. Like, and the garbage pickup thing was like a week ago, so it's gone now. I'll also show you like an online picture of it, which I'll do like later. But let's see. Yeah, looks very pretty. It's got the sand dollar. I don't know what kind of flower that is, and I don't know what kind of sand dollar that is. Got sand. I guess there are more than one kinds of sand, but I'm no sand expert. Nor am I a font expert. Yeah. If you know what font that is, leave a comment below. If you know what sand dollar that is, what its species name and all that, leave a comment below, and everything else, I guess. And let's see, the shape of this, kind of interesting. It reminds me of those of that You know that thing that releases like steam or something? Like it's one of those like humidifiers that you find in one of those like it reminds you of those humidifiers you can find one of those new agey looking like stores that sells you like bunch of new agey looking stuff or whatever. Kinda reminds you of that. Let's see. And then there's this hole. I'm not sure what this hole is for. Maybe you carry around on your finger and then you pull it out. There you go. And then if you want like a good whiff, you just move it close to your nose and sniff. And yeah. So I guess it's portable. Mobile. You can take it wherever you want. No, not really. I really don't know what to do. Like the real true purpose of this hole. It looks like something fits into it. Maybe like renuzit invented like a staff where you can just stick it on top. You can like move the stick around, like get that scent like wherever you want it, like extended reach, like in places you can't reach. But then again, if you can't reach it, you probably can't smell it. So, maybe if you want to like help out a really tall person get a good sniff of this, but he can't bend down because he has like back problems. So you like put it on a stick, then you just, and then he goes, that smells good. So, yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot to show you this. Hold on. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can use both my hands. I guess I'll keep talking. So, just to let you know, I'm still here. Just to let you know that the video it hasn't like glitched out or broken or froze. Wait, I'm gonna go grab like a metal coin or something to make it easier to pry off. Okay. I'm still here. Don't you worry. Got it. So, you can also do this. You can pull the top. Excuse me, I ate something recently. Sorry about that. Anyways, I'm not sure what's the purpose of having like two like of these things. Like it seems one's just good enough. Then again, this is smaller and this is bigger. I guess if you want to keep the packaging intact, you can use this, and that way you can like see the bottom. Let's see. Where's that phone of mine? Alright, okay, so the video is about to end, and I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to show you what I want to show you. See you soon.